This is the Daewoo or Daewoo Decorate Your Walls Self-Adhesive Wall Tiles. Very simple instructions. Cut and save the tile, peel and stick the tile, and then use the cut pieces at the end. We're going to take these and we're going to panel up here on the wall. We are going to see how well they stick. Thank you very much, and we are going to get this started. We did our kitchen backsplash using the 10-pack peel and stick wall tiles. It's a PVC backsplash for kitchen, bathroom, fireplace, or anywhere you want to add some. You don't have to worry about falling off. The tiles are very light and the adhesive was very sticky. It is easier, faster, and more affordable to install than small subway tiles. The package with 10 mixed patterns will not have regular patterns when stuck to the wall, and there are no gaps in the surface after installation, making for very good waterproofing. The 10 sheets of the peel and stick are the same as 180 small subway tiles and cover 10 square foot.